Alright, hello, I'm here from Abundant Energy. We're going to talk a little bit about freezing conditions here in Florida. Rarely do freezing conditions occur, but if they do, it is important to take the necessary steps to protect your solar hot water heating system from being damaged in the freeze. The first step in preparing your system for freezing is getting all your tools ready. One thing you'll want is a bucket to drain the system in if your solar water heater is in an indoor location or not located in the garage where it's okay to get things wet. You'll also need a short hose or a long hose depending on where your system is located to attach to the hose bibs. And if you're short like myself, a step ladder to get up towards the top of your large solar water heating tank. Alright, the second step in preparing your system for freeze damage is disconnecting the circulation pump. It's very simple to disconnect the circulation pump, and you just get up on your step stool, reach over, and disconnect one of the wire nuts holding the connectors together. And then once the system is disconnected, your solar water heating circulation pump will no longer be flowing water up to the roof. Next, we're going to isolate the solar water heating system from the tank. We're going to do that by turning these two isolation valves. We're going to turn them so that they are perpendicular to the vertical risers that go to your solar system. The best way to protect your solar water heating system from freeze is to use two short garden hoses and drape them into a bucket or a nearby sink. First, you're going to attach one hose to the supply line and then firmly attach a second hose to the return line. By doing so, you're enabling all of the water to flow out of the solar collector and allow air into the system to purge the water out. And we're going to go ahead and open the supply line as well as open the return line. And water should be flowing now out into your bucket, and you can hear the system draining. You'll also notice the water flowing into your bucket as well. If freezing conditions are going to last for multiple days or even just overnight, it is okay to leave the solar array in the condition that it's in with the hoses attached to it. This will also help you remember to turn the system back on when you notice that there's hoses hanging from your solar water heating system. Once the system is drained and you've isolated the solar collector from the water heater, your water heater will act just like your old-fashioned water heater used to, just with the electric element, and you'll still have hot water. And now your solar array is protected against the freezing conditions.